Half double crochet stitch. Begin by making a foundation chain. Yarn over and insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. Yarn over again and pull up a loop through the chain stitch. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. This completes one half double crochet stitch. Repeat. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Continue working half double crochet stitches into each chain stitch across the foundation chain. At the end of each row, chain 2 and turn your work. This turning chain helps to maintain the height of your stitches. To start the next row, skip the first stitch and work a half double crochet stitch into the next stitch. Continue working half double crochet stitches into each stitch across the row. And repeat on every row.